Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. Joseph James here, schoolscrade.com, June 2nd, 2010. Here's your live trading recap. Now guys, I want to thank you all for coming out and joining me. Hope you had a great holiday weekend. Back here on a Wednesday morning here. Now of course, I'm on my mobile computer this morning. I'm traveling right now. I'm in Nuevo Vallarta, a little tiny town called Punta de Mita, Mexico. Guys, if you haven't been there yet, email me. I'll send you some more information on where it is, guys. I would highly recommend take that trip south of the border, guys. But as you can see though, guys, here I am in my hotel room here. Completely mobile, so there's my view of the ocean right behind me. Of course, I've got to keep myself away from the ocean view or else I won't get anything done here. And then let me pan around. I'll show you guys a little bit more about what this mobile computer actually looks like here. Now, it's a little bit more intense than what it looks like. This is my mobile desktop. Okay, so here's the handle, right? There's the handle. So you've got all your components are inside here. I've just put my monitor here, right, on top of it. That way I can see straight ahead. And then here's my second monitor, and then here's my trusty alarm clock. I've got a wireless keyboard, right, nice little paper-thin wireless keyboard here. I've got my mouse that I usually bring from home, right, my optical wireless mouse. And of course, can't forget about my trusty notepad. Keep my notes. So everything is right here. And you can see, once again, right, this is as big as the box is, right? And if you notice, it's plugged in right there. See that right in the plug right there? Now, disregard all the margarita mix back there, guys, but that's where the plugs right into the wall. And of course, as you can see, right, here I am. So always, right, always a pleasure, obviously, to have you guys with us here, especially on such a great day we had today in the room. All right, let's take a look at some of the trades we took today, guys. Before we do, though, I want to remind you guys, right below the video right now, there's a great link that will take you guys to our blog. Now, on our blog right now, we have so much great information on the blog, guys. If you have not subscribed to our blog, you're missing out on what I think to be the greatest wealth of trading videos and education for free available. Okay, so make sure you guys check that blog out, guys. The link is right below the video. Now, what's the most important that happened today? Well, I'm on vacation still, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week, I'll be coming remotely from Mexico. But we had the same great results today, didn't we? Lots of patterns, multiple time frames. We saw 4 patterns fit our rules today. We took 4 trades. We got 4 winners. Now I'm returning on Friday, so we'll be back to normal on Monday morning. All right, guys. So as you've seen, it's been a little bit different today in the room, but I'll be back to normal as of Monday morning, guys. All right, but I want to show you guys just how easy it is, guys. You can be a mobile trader, guys. There's nothing wrong with traveling. We become day traders so we can live this great lifestyle. I'm not tethered to my desk at the office, guys. I've got my mobile computer, I've got my 2 19-inch monitors, and I've got an internet connection that, for the most part, I think I've only got 25 gigabytes per second download speed. Megabytes per second. So it's really not a fast connection at all. And I did just fine today in the room. Let's take a look at the trades today. Okay, first one here, though, guys, on Crude. Right? Now, this first trade, guys, today was a 2-step pattern, short. Now, again, how does a 2-step pattern work? We're moving to the upside, right? Short-term trend is up. I'm going to look for a breaker pattern if I can get above 50, but we never saw above 50. We headed back to the downside. I mark up my swing low here. We break below that swing low, and there's your 2-step short. That one got you your +4, your +8, and then we trailed our runner for the 3, 4 ticks there. If you were lucky, you got a 5 or 6. Grab 3 or 4 pretty easily, though, right? 4 + 8, right? That's 8 + 8 is 16. So it's a 20-tick winner there for your first trade there on Crude. Again, called live here right in the room. You don't need to have a big exotic setup, guys. In fact, you don't even need to be home right now to be taking these trades along with us. So there was the first trade this morning. Then, of course, again, they were all on Crude today. We didn't have very much chart space with us because I'm on my mobile setup right now. And the euro wouldn't load up for me. Gold was real quiet this morning, so we really just watched crude oil. But crude oil gave us lots of different opportunities here. Once again, same thing here on Crude. This time now, another 2-step pattern short. We're coming up, short-term trend up. We look for a breaker long here above 87s, but we didn't see any breaker long pattern set up. So again, what do? We look for our swing low, and we take a break below that swing low. Right, now there was 2 potential entries here, guys, if you took this 2-step. The first one here was at 76, but we didn't see any big buyers show up until 72s. So by the time we saw the 72s and 73s show up here, guys, 70, right, was as early as we get in. But of course, with your entry there at 70, of course, you still made some great profit there. +4, +8. If you got lucky, of course, you held this thing till it really tumbled. You guys know what I'm talking about. All you guys took it on the 13 range this morning. If you took it on a slower time frame, an 8 or a 13 range, you didn't have to worry about all the noise there at 72.70. Okay, so slow it down a little bit, less noise. This one kind of chopped me up a little bit though. But of course, you can see though, nice big move to the downside, +4, +8, right? Grab your runner. Another very easy trade to take. Our rules lined up perfectly, and we call this trade live in the room this morning. Then we kind of switched things up a little bit here, guys. We then went and looked at breaker patterns. The first two trades today were two steps, right? They're reversals. So we were going up, and then we came right back down, right? I was a seller when the trend was for buyers. So now we're looking at a breaker pattern. Now this goes with the trend. So now once the two-step patterns had reversed the short-term trend now back to the downside, now we were waiting here, guys. The third trade of the morning here, right? Third pattern here came right there, right? Just before 10:45. We're coming down, right? Short-term trend down. Very easy pattern here. We had 73.10 was the level, as you can see there. We're going to break below 73.10, mark up our level of 06s, and there's your breaker pattern short below the 06s. Very easy pattern. Got your +4, your +8, and your +8 as well before it ended up bouncing around and getting you out right there at 73 even. Good place to take profit, though. 73 even was a good spot to take profit there, guys. So you got at least 20 ticks there. Then we had a higher risk breaker short. The second one here, I skipped this one, but a lot of you guys took it though. This was a higher risk breaker short, the second entry here. And it was higher risk because we had less than 6 ticks, right? Our medium time frame is my way. And we also noticed on my slower time frame, we hit a double bottom, right? That double bottom was there, if you guys recall, right? 72.84. So we had the entry there, 72.85, 87, 88. With the double bottom 84, we know things get pretty choppy there. And as you can see, it did just that. So the first two trades were two steps. The third one here was a breaker. And then we'll finish the last one up here, guys, was another breaker pattern. These were taken on both the 13 range and the 4 range, guys. No excuses here. If you took it on a slow time frame, right, we got short here below 39s. There you go. Comes down, breaks below. There's your breaker short, right, below 39s there. If you took it on the 13 range, your stop was placed at 62, so it was a wide stop, right, above that recent swing high. Remember, as we talked about that today in trading, guys, if you're taking a trade on a 13, 21, 55, place that stop right above that recent swing high there. At 60s, plus a couple ticks, good place to put your stop. We got our +4, our +8, our +15 before things started tumbling, guys, for over 30 ticks, guys, on that winning trade. Now, if you took it on the scalp, on the 4 range, a little more choppier here. Same entry though, 38 for the breaker pattern short. We came down. We then broke below that swing low, guys. Again, following all of our rules according to plan. The breaker pattern short. Again, you got your +4. You got your +8. Now, this is where we got kind of held up though on the scalps though. If you got out early, guys, that happens sometimes. But if you held it though, obviously, like we did in the 13 range, we made some pretty darn good money. No matter what you did though, guys, you at least got your +4, +8. That's 16 ticks at least on the scalp. And a big 30 tick winner there on the 13 range, guys. Another big winning day here in the room. And as you can see, right, it doesn't get much better than this, ladies and gents, right? This is what it means to be a trader, right? Because I'm going to finish up my day right now. I'm going to join my wife out by the pool, and that's exactly what every single trader should be looking forward to, guys. So come out and join us. Let's prep for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, not Tuesday. Tomorrow's Thursday, May 3rd, 2010. We have a busy day tomorrow with all the holiday over the weekend. Everything's been pushed back now, so we've got 8:15 employment, 8:30 non-farm productivity, and jobless claims. Now, this is where it gets crazy. 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing, 10:30 nat gas, and 11 o'clock crude oil inventories. We are going to be busy, busy, busy here tomorrow, guys, so make sure you guys bring your notepad. We'll be doing lots of stuff tomorrow live trade room. Let's recap, though. Tomorrow morning, back to see you guys at 7:45 a.m., so make sure you guys are here for that, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll be here, right, with my flip-flops on, that's for sure. We'll do a webinar tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Thursday, so a webinar at 11:30. And don't forget, guys, the beginner's course has everything you need to learn how to trade with us. The advanced course, though, is our lifetime access to our trade room, open code indicators, and we're going to show you guys how to use all the patterns, the rules, the routine to make money every single day. If you want more information, guys, that's sales@schooloftrade.com. I'm going to be back here on Monday, back to the normal trade room. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in Mexico, guys. If you want to contact me, email me, obviously. And obviously, if you want more information about the old trading computer, guys, don't be afraid to ask for questions as well. I'd be more than happy to send you guys more information on how I got set up here today as well. Again, my name is Joseph James, coming to you guys live from a little city called Punta de Mita, Mexico. And we'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. Don't miss a tick. Bye-bye for now.